What are we doing today, Brendan?
We're taking these down to the boatyard. Get the crane to lift them onto the boat.
Speed Twin's getting new engines today. Well, they're at least going to end up on the boat. Not in the boat, but on the boat.
All right.
That's important.
No
So-
refunds.
No refund.
So we got the transmissions in the back here.
Transmissions in the back, engines in the
We got
far
two
back.
QSL9 450s
Two QSL 9 450s.
and a Northern Lights generator.
That's right.
And this is all getting craned onto the boat today.
That's right.
That's a full good day's job right there, just getting them on the boat, huh?
I think it's going to be an all-day job.